Okay, now everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. We will start with the prayer, okay? Join your hands and close your eyes. Every, yes, everything I am, everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning to your friends. Good morning, all of you. So, how are you all? Just show me thumbs up or thumbs down. How are you all? Okay, everybody is good? Chalo, very nice. So, yesterday it was 15th July, right? So, what will come after 15th? Please write the date in the chat box, everyone. Very good, Kia. Very quick answer. So write down the date. Everyone write it by yourself. Very good, Kia. The day is also correct. Write down the date and the day in your chat box. Write down the day and the date. Very good, Shivain. Correct. Nivan correct. Hriday write the full date, bacha. Paki correct. Yanvi correct. Hate correct. Kanak correct. Yes, Paki. The day is also correct. Try to write down the date by yourself. Laksh correct. Nivan, the day is correct. Hriday, the date is correct. Okay, so what is the yes, Arav, the date is correct. थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ की but चले नहीं fine, correct, it is correct. Shlok correct. So what is the date today? Today's date is 16th July 2021. Shri, no need to send any symbols, right? You have to write the date. So today's date is 16th July 2021 and the day is Friday. आज कौन सा दिन है? Friday. And what we will say Friday in Hindi? शुक्रवार. क्या बोलेंगे? शुक्रवार. Okay? हिंदी में फ्राइडे को क्या बोलते हैं? शुक्रवार. Now we have already completed so many व्यंजन, right? अभी हमने क से म तक कंप्लीट कर लिया है, ठीक है? क से म तक. अभी हम आगे का व्यंजन we are going to learn today. Okay? So what will come after म? म के बाद आता है य. Okay? य. Then okay, Shlok and Prayag, the date and the day is correct. Now we are ending with the date and the date. Now we will start with our topic. Okay? Ha. Yeah. Very good, Laksh. Very nice. And yes, tomorrow is your class. Okay? Tomorrow is Saturday, but there is no holiday. You have to join at the regular time, 9:30. Okay? Yes, bacha, Shivin, correct. But I'm saying something to you all. Okay? Again, tomorrow is no holiday. You have to join the class. Okay? At 9:30 a.m. Okay, class? Chalo. ओके सो पहले हम रिवीजन करेंगे. आई वॉन्ट एनीवन टू से ऑल द व्यंजन एंड दैट विल से बाय Arav. Arav, you will say all the Vyanjan. Okay? Chalo Arav, read all the Vyanjan.
Ka, kha, ga, ga, inya. Cha,
Anga,
cha,
anga.
anga. Ja, za, anga.
Nia. No, it's Nia.
Nia. Da, tha, da, da. Ana. Da, da, da. Tha, da, da. Na, pa, fa, ba, ma. Ba, ma.
Yes. So, you have said correctly. Again, just a minute, huh? Just a minute, huh, class? Why was not able to write? Okay. So what will come after ma? We have learned ka, kha, ga, gha, anga, then cha, cha, ja, ja, nia, ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Then ta se talwar, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Okay. So now what will come after ma? Ya. What will come after ma? Ya. Okay. This is how we will write here. I was not able to write right now. I'll show you afterward on the whiteboard. Okay. Chalo. So now what will start from here? Here se kya kya start hota hai? Let's see that. Here se yagna is correct. Then here se yantra. Okay. What is this? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Laksh.
यहाँ से यज्ञ.
Yes, here से यज्ञ. Okay, आपको जो extra words बोलने हैं that I will give you at the end of this PPT. Okay, let me finish this PDF. If you get any extra word from here, you can tell me afterwards. Okay, चलो. य से यंत्र. Okay, य से यंत्र. Then as you told, य से यज्ञ. Okay, य से यज्ञ. Then ya se yatra. What is the meaning of yatra? When we are traveling from one place to another place, that is called yatra, journey. So ya se yatra. Okay, ya se yog. Okay, what this? We are doing yoga, so that is called ya se yog. Okay, ya se yog. Then ya se yudh. Ya se yudh. In olden times, they are doing fighting between two kings. Okay, so वो युद्ध होती थी, right? So that is called ya se yudh. Okay, ya se yudh. Then yes, ya se यात्री, पैसेंजर. ओके, when we are traveling, जब हम travel करते हैं, that is called यात्रा. But during traveling, when we are going to one place to another place, the people are said to be passenger. तो उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? यात्रा. Just a minute, हाँ class. Okay, so that yatra is called while traveling through one place to another. That is when the passengers are there in the train or anywhere you are going. So that is called yatri. Okay, क्या बोलेंगे? यात्री. Then okay, ये कौन है? Who will tell me? You don't know? Who is?
Yishu.
Yes, very good Kiya. Here say Yeshu. Okay,
Yes, Yishu.
who is Yeshu?
Christian God.
Very good Kiya. Very good. Well done. Christian God. Okay. Here say Yeshu, Christian God. Next we have here say yak. What is this? Here say yak. So we are done with here. Again, let's do one revision once again with all the words of here. So here say yantra, here say yag, here say yatra, here say योग, here say युद्ध, here say यात्री, here say यीशु, here say yak. Okay, so we have done here. Now what will come after here? म के बाद य के बाद र. Okay, र से या तो राजा. Okay, you can say anything from र. There are many words. हाँ? Yes, र से रथ is correct. Yes, र से रथ is correct. Now we will learn र. हाँ? Rassi is also correct, Chivin. Very nice. So let's see what else. Ra se rath is correct. Ra se rassi is correct.
Yes,
Just accept. Yes, Ayansh. Yes, Ayansh. र से क्या किया? सॉरी, र से क्या?
य से यति मैम.
अच्छा, य से यति. ओके, दैट इज करेक्ट किया. वेरी गुड. करेक्ट. दैट इज अ डिफरेंट वर्ड. सी किया है स्टोल य से यति. यस लक्ष्य. र से रस is correct. Shri, now please mute your microphone. Yes, Laksh, what you want to say?
La se labbad.
La से लब्बड़ कि र से रब्बड़? चलो, now we will learn र. Okay, य के बाद क्या आता है? र. अभी हम पढ़ेंगे र. Let's see what is starting from र. Okay, the first we all know that this is called Rath. Ra se Rath. Then Ra se Raja ya to Rani. Okay, king and queen. What we will say? King and queen, Raja, Rani. Okay, both is starting from Ra. Then we have Ra se Rath ya to Ratri. Okay, both words are correct. So र से रात, र से रात्रि. Okay, र से रात and र से रात्रि. Then we have र से रेत. Okay, what is this? Reet. Which place is this? Can anybody tell me in English? What we will say to this? Desert, yes, desert is correct. And yes, R से रेगिस्तान.
Desert.
हाँ, desert is correct, बच्चा. So, in short, R से रेत. Okay, desert. And somebody told, I think रस्सी. R से रस्सी, somebody told, that is correct. Okay, so R से रस्सी. क्या बच्चा क्या बोल रहा है? I'm not getting you.
रविवार मैम.
अच्छा, र से रविवार. Very nice. Correct. र से रविवार is also correct. Now we will see what is this. These are the colors, right? What we will say the colors in Hindi? Rang. Okay. R se rang. Yes, R se rang. All the colors. Then we have R se ras. Okay. R se ras. Okay, you all are using this. What is this? R se rumal. Your handkerchief. R se rumal. Then R se rupee. This is the symbol of rupee. Okay. You have a rupees. You can see in each and every note there is a symbol of this. Okay. That is called rupee. What, Khanak?
We can also make the symbol of
Okay. R se rupee. Then, oh, yummy, yummy sweet. Who likes this sweet? I like it. R se rasgulla. Who like it? I to like. This
I
is
like it, ma'am.
you like it? Very nice. Yes.
Rabri.
R se rabri. Okay, rabri is also correct.
Rasmalai.
R se rasmalai is also correct. Very good, Shlo. So, R se rasgulla here. So, we are done with R. Yes, Laksh?
I like Rutru.
R se
बोलो.
Rutru.
ऋतु.
ऋतु. I think so. रू से आती है. R से नहीं आता बच्चा. It's R से ऋषि होते हैं ना. At that time it's रस ऋतु, not R.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
R से रास्ता is correct. What else? Nivan, what you want to say? अच्छा, I'll give you a chance. Just wait a minute. R से okay. Now here, time up.
र से राजश्री.
Yes, that is correct. R se rickshaw is also correct. But yes, R se rickshaw. I understand that you all know different words from year and R. So all of you, very good and well done. Now take your Hindi notebook and open a new page. Take a Hindi notebook. Take your Hindi notebook.
Ma'am.
Yes. Take your Hindi notebook, everyone. Ayansh. Yes, Yanni.
मैम, गांधी बासों में गांधी जी की फोटो क्यों होती है?
क्या बच्चा?
बासों में गांधी जी की फोटो क्यों होती है?
गांधी जी की फोटो क्यों होती है? आपने कभी इससे पहले पता नहीं किया? क्यों होगी गांधी जी की फोटो? गांधी जी कौन थे? गांधी जी कौन थे?
वो भी नहीं पता मैम।
आपको नहीं पता गांधी जी कौन थे? He is the father of the nation. We get freedom because of Gandhi ji, and that is why we are putting the symbol like picture of Gandhi ji is in each and every note. Okay, because he played a very important role to get our freedom, and he is only the one who has decided all the things. Okay, इसलिए गांधी जी की फोटो रखी जाती है. Gandhi ji is the father of the nation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, now everyone take your Hindi notebook and open a fresh page. Okay, write down today's date. What is the date today? 16th July 2021. So in the corner you will write the date 16th July 2021. Okay, now today we have completed. Okay, yeah, we have not written ma also, right? In the notebook we have not written ma, right? ma हमने नहीं लिखा, right? कल class please reply. Yes. So आप
आपने नहीं लिखा है माँ.
हाँ बच्चा. ओके, तो फिर आज आप म य और र तीनों लिखेंगे. How you will write य? This is the way to write य. Okay. Then it's ra. Okay. य and ra. Now you will. Yes, य से Yanvi is correct. य से Yanvi is correct. 2 times you will write ma, 2 times you will write ya, and 2 times you will write ra. Okay? Just a minute, I will show you how you have to do. Half page you will finish right now and half page at home. Okay? Ma, ya, ra. Half page you will write. Okay? Not a full page, only half page you will complete. Everybody. Right now you have to complete. Ayash Bacha, where is your notebook? Very good. Are you writing? I want to see you fast writing. Chalo Ayash, very good. Start writing. Let's see who will finish fast with a good handwriting. Let's see who will finish fast with a good handwriting. Ma'am will give a star to them. You have to finish only half page, okay? The one who will finish fast, I'm going to give you a star, but with a good handwriting. If you are writing fast, that doesn't mean that you have to write in a bad handwriting, okay? So, let's see who wins first. I'll give star to them. Ya, ma, ya, and ra. All the 3 Vyanjan you have to write.
It's one time, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 time. 2 times ma, 2 times ya, and 2 times ra. Half page they have to finish.
Done.
Done kiya?
Yes.
So you are the first. I'll give you a smiley.
I like heart smiley.
You like heart smiley?
Yeah, it's just hard.
Okay, I'll give you a heart smiley, bus.
Thank you.
Just a minute. Okay, so this is for you, Kia.
Thank you, it's my name.
Yes, it's your name. Okay, very good. Cholo, let's see who else finished fast.
Ma'am,
Yes, oh, you have finished. Just a minute, huh, Shiveen? Very good, very quick. What you want with smiley you want?
smiley. Only smiley.
Only smiley. Cholo, I'll give you star wala smiley to you, Shiveen. Okay? This is for you. Okay, Shiveen? Very good. Chalo, who else is completed? निवान डन. आज तो निवान ने बहुत जल्दी फिनिश कर लिया. हाँ, वेरी गुड. अदरवाइज यू डोंट लाइक टू राइट हिंदी, यस, है ना? चलो, टेल मी विच स्माइली यू वांट, निवान? You want ice cream? Chalo, I'll give you ice cream, okay? Okay, so this is for you. Nivan, this is for you. Okay, you're welcome. The one who has finished writing, they can leave the class. Come on, Ayansh, what happened to you? Why are you crying? You can write. Bye, Kia.
Bye.
Chalo, very good boy, Ayansh. Very good boy. I'll give you a smiley, a big smiley to you. Only half page you have to finish right now. Ayansh. No. Chalo. Ayansh is a very good boy. Very good boy. You are a very good boy. You can write fast. Chalo. Who else is done? Prayag, are you done?
प्रयाग 2 दिन से कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, पता नहीं बिहेवियर चेंज एकदम.
Prayag, why? Okay, Prayag, now you are going to stay here. Sabka finish ho jayega, then I want to talk to you. After finishing this class, I want to talk to you. Yes, if you are not listening to your mom and you are not paying attention. You are a so good boy and you are completing each and everything. So abhi kya ho gaya hai? Prayag, this is not good, बच्चा. You are तो so good boy. आप सब चीजें कर रहे थे इतने अच्छे से. Then what happened to you suddenly? चलो Prayag, sit properly. You are a good boy, right? You are a good boy or not good boy? You are a bad boy? Kanak, you are done, बच्चा?
Yes.
Okay, show me. Very nice. Very good. So I'll give you a smiley. Okay, Kanak?
Heart smiley.
You want heart smiley?
Mandan.
Okay, Kanak.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, who else is done? Very good, Kanak. Who else is done? I think so. Heth is done. Yes, Heth, you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. I'll give you also a smiley. This is for you. Okay, Heth? Chalo. Heth and Kanak, you can leave the class, bacha.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you in the next class.
Ma'am, bye.
Bye, Kanak.
Ma'am, I complete.
Okay, Arav, you are done. Oh my God, Arav, you have to finish full page. Very good, Arav. Very nice. Very nice. What do you want, Arav?
Medal.
You want a medal? Okay, chalo, I'll give you a medal.
Ma'am, I want it.
Yes.
See, ma'am. See, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice. Arav, I know this type of medal, so I'm giving this medal to you. Okay?
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I can see Yanvi and Shlok is done. Okay, so Yanvi and Shlok, I'll give you a smiley. Okay? Very good.
आपने नहीं मारले का आ पेपर भी जोड़ देवा
कैमरा सही करो आदि दीदी। मैम
हाँ okay, you want what you want, Yanvi?
cream smiley.
Okay, I'll give you ice cream and smiley both. Okay, just a minute. Shlok, this is for you. Shlok, this is for you. Okay,
मैम मेरे को स्टार चाहिए।
आपको स्टार चाहिए? Okay.
मैम my wish is done. मैम my work is done.
चलो Yanvi, this is your ice cream and the smiley both. Okay.
मैम my
Wait.
Hriday, I can see you are done. Very good, Hriday. Just give me a minute. Shlok, a star for you.
thank you मैम। Bye.
What you want, Hriday?
मैम smiley.
Smiley.
Big
I want to see your smiley also. Big smiley.
Big smiley.
Your smile.
Bye ma'am.
Where is your smile, Hriday?
Bye ma'am.
Yanvi, this is your smiley, Hriday.
Bye ma'am.
Bye, Yanvi.
Bye
Bye.
ma'am. Bye
Chalo,
ma'am.
Bye. Ayan, Shubham. Are you writing? Okay. Paki, Laksh is also done. Very good, Laksh. Laksh, what you want?
Ma'am.
Ice cream. Okay. Paki, you are also done, na, bacha? Oh, wow, Ayansh, you are done. Wow, very good. What you want? Well done. What you want?
I want smiley.
You want smiley? Okay, I'll give you smiley, Ayansh.
Ma'am, I think.
I'll give you ice cream to you, Laksh. Okay, so here the ice cream is for Laksh and the smiley is for Ayansh. Okay, very good, Ayansh. Bye bye. Very good, Ayansh. Very good, Laksh.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye. So class, here I'm ending our Hindi class because we have next class. So you will finish it and you will send me the picture. Okay? Okay, Prayag is done. Very good, Prayag.
Goodbye. हाँ? उसको चोकोबार चाहिए.
Choco pie chahiye. I'll give you chocolate the way I know. Okay? I'll give you. Very good, Prayag. See, you are a good boy. You can complete it, everything. Then also you don't want to complete.
મસે મન્ના ચોકોબાર મન્ના છે ને.
हाँ.
Okay, I know this type of choco pie, so this is for you, Prayag. Okay? Very good.
Thank you. बहुत मूडी है.
But I am happy that you have completed the page, Prayag. Very good boy. Chalo, Shri and Paki bacha, please complete your work and send it me the picture. Okay? Chalo, bye bye. I'm ending the class.